can tie this up. If you're going to brine your bird, I have seen that some people do not like to brine their turkeys and put the stuffing in because it changes the flavor. The stuffing gets a lot more salty.
Alright, hi, this is Dave from Dave Explains, and I am tired. But I'm trying to edit this video because, I mean, some people are going to be like, well, geez, how do I do this? It's just a conversation about what you're going to find when you're prepping your turkey and information about thawing your turkey, because some people still have not thawed out their turkey. Really quick though, if you go to Butterball will say, yeah, you can do the refrigerator method, which is 1 day per 4 pounds, or you can do the cold water method, which is 30 minutes per pound. So for every 2 pounds, it's an hour. So the point is though is that I'm doing a brine to turkey. It's currently in my fridge in a Home Depot bucket, which I kind of melted.
Okay, welcome to the GoPro version of this video. Alright, so to be completely honest, I don't know what's going on with this thing, because look, here's the thighs, and then the breast seems to be over here. So it's twisted. I'm already kind of like, wow, how natural is this bird? So we've got over here, we've got our stock. It's just kind of lightly going. It's not boiling, it's not roiling, it's just kind of sitting there. We brought it up to a boil, now it's just gonna sit there and sit. You can see that everything's kind of just moving in there. So anyway, back to the headline of this. So full disclosure, I have not worked with a turkey in a really long time. Whoa, that's why we have the pan. All that bloody water mess just came right out from being defrosted. Now you have to remember that the turkey is a much more bacteria-laden bird, and they have already pretty much dressed it. Look at this. You know, I talked to my wife, and my wife was telling me about this, that they pretty much butcher the bird for you. This is the turkey neck, still frozen. And we can just put that in there. Some people like to eat it, some people don't. And here are all of the internal organs, from what I understand. At approximately blah, 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 blah. Keep refrigerated until you feel like you don't want to, you do or you do not want to eat it. I don't know what this is. This should be like the heart and everything else in here, but all I'm feeling is liquid, so I'm starting to think that this is like juices that can be easily turned into a gravy, because the turkey also is a very greasy bird. And there is the inside of your bird. So as you can see, there is no heart. There's a little bit of ice in there. There's a few little things that could be trimmed, but they've already pulled out everything. Like there's some stuff that needs to be pulled out. That's just fat. If you think this is disgusting, I am sorry, but this is... how it's all done. All right, yeah, I'm not feeling anything else that really needs to be done here. Now, here's the weird thing. They tell you to pat the bird. They tell you to clean and pat the bird. Well, technically, that's exactly what I just did. Here's your thermometer gauge. Now, when you're brining a turkey, if you're going to brine your turkey, you don't have to. From this step on, you know, just pulling out the neck and the juices and whatnot, maybe pulling out this fatty junk. I'm going to tell you right now, when you're done, wash your hands. Cut this so that you can get in there a little easier. All right, I'm not feeling anything at all, so this is actually a good sized bird. We bought our bird late, so if you're going to do that, you need to thaw your bird faster. Butterball suggests that you go 30 minutes per pound. This is a 19-pound bird. We left it in overnight for 6 hours in the refrigerator. The USDA suggests that for every day of defrosting, like in the refrigerator, it that covers 4 pounds. So I figured 1/4 of a day, 6 hours, 1/4 of 4 pounds equals 1 pound. I went from 19 down to 18, and then we went for half an hour with the situation where every half hour you switch out your cold water with new cold water, and you defrost your bird in a bucket or something. That's what we did. Just went to Home Depot, bought a bucket and a lid for $5, and that's what's going to go on. But anyway, the USDA suggests that that's what you do. Now, we can dress this bird a little bit more. Technically, you're supposed to be able to fold the bird's wings like that, but I'm not going to, because you usually do that more for like frying. So you don't necessarily need to do that. Back to the USDA, sorry. The USDA suggests that the cold water method of defrosting is half an hour per pound. I'm sorry, it's been a very long day. So, when we had 18 pounds to defrost still, after losing the 1 for refrigerator defrosting, that meant 9 hours of changing the water every half hour, which we did not do perfectly. Anyway, now we've got our turkey. It's technically cleaned out. What I'm doing here is I'm just letting this kind of cook in the sauce. I'm just gonna stir this a little bit here. I don't plan on eating the neck. Some people like to eat the neck. I don't plan on it.